Hey guys, we're going to have a look at the Lydian scale now. So this is a really interesting scale. It's a major mode and it's got a sharp 4. So you know what happens with most of our scales where we go through the modes, we're actually being flattening notes. This is actually sharpening a note and it gives a very different feel to it. So we're going to do it right up in this second octave up the neck, all right, just to give it a really cool high-end feel. Makes it very spacey. So when we've got a sharp 4, if you think about it, we're going to go in F, so that is on the 13th fret, major scale style for the E position. There's your 4th, there's your sharp 4th. So alright, so you've got 13, 15, 12, 14, 15, 12, 14, 15. Alright, we'll run through that a couple of times. Awesome, easy enough. Okay, so really cool sound to it. It's a classic scale used to write theme songs. So have a look at any theme song, look at the Simpsons, and you'll find the Lydian mode used. All right, the cool thing with this is we don't want to play the arpeggio, because if you do it standardly, it's just going to sound exactly like the major scale. And where's the fun in that when you've got such a cool note in there? What we're going to do is do a arpeggio as such, but it's going to be 1, 3, 4, 5, 7 and back. We're not even going to hit that next octave, no ninth. Okay, so what that sounds like is alright, so you got a really good fun. Alright, so that's our arpeggio. Put together, we've got and we'll go again. And again. And again. Alright, pretty cool, hey? Now, what we want to do is run up through 2 octaves. Now, I'm going to give you a little secret here. The easiest way to remember the 2 octaves is after the first 2 notes, it's the A position of the A minor. Really want to get, by the end of all of these scales in level 6, you will start to blur the lines and realize that, oh, it's all one big scale and the modes are just starting at a different note. So let's look at that. So if we do our first 2, then it's going to be, all right, that's that 9th. All right, there's an octave. Again, that's the second octave. Okay, turn around. All right, run through that nice and slow. Cool. Now, what I really want to do is show you the 2-octave arpeggio on this, because it's really cool. Now, I'm sure you'll do the other positions and there'll be a little bit more generic practice in that, but this one just lends itself to it. Okay, so we've got our... Alright, so that's your first octave arpeggio. Then we're going to go to the root note of the next one. And if we look at it, it's going to be... There is our third, fourth, fifth, seventh. And I really like it. So... Alright, I'll run through it once more. So it's very different. So have a go at that one. It's really cool. And welcome to the Lydian mode. Leave it there. See you next time.